In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a chat ID in Telegram. If you've ever worked with bots, automated tools, or integrations, you've probably been asked for a chat ID. Think of it as a unique identifier for a group or channel. And the easiest way to grab it is right from Telegram web. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick. First, open a browser and log in to Telegram web. Any modern browser will do. If you are not already signed in, Telegram will guide you through a secure sign-in process. Just make sure you are on the official Telegram web page and that your connection is stable while you authenticate. Once you see your chats on the left and the main pane on the right, you are in the right place. Next, open the specific group or channel whose chat ID you need. Click it from your chat list so the conversation loads in the main view. This method applies to groups and channels, so be sure you've selected one of those. If the space has a lot of activity, give it a moment to fully load, so the URL updates correctly. Now look up at your browser's address bar. You'll notice the page URL changes when you open that group or channel. It will look something like web.telegram.org/k/hash. 123456789. The important part is what comes after the hash symbol. That long number is the chat ID. Often, you'll see a minus sign at the beginning. Keep that minus when you copy the number. Carefully select only the numeric portion after the hash and exclude the hash itself or any trailing characters. If your browser displays additional parameters after the number, only copy the number, including the leading minus sign if present. That's the full and correct chat ID. To avoid mistakes, double-check that you are still viewing the same group or channel when you copy the number. If you switch chats, the URL will change, and so will the ID. It's also a good idea to paste the ID somewhere safe right away, so you don't lose it. When sharing it with a trusted tool or collaborator, share only the ID and nothing from your personal login or account. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.